Welcome to Rohingya English Learning YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel.
Let's begin. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rohingya English Learning channel. I am Hasina Begum. In this video, I will tell you the story of a tiger, a fox and a monkey. Headline of the story: The Tale of the Tiger, Fox and Monkey. Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, there lived three best friends, a fox, a monkey, and a tiger. They roamed the forest together, sharing their adventures and their meals. The jungle was their playground, and they enjoyed each other's company, always looking out for one another. One sunny morning, the tiger, using his strength and speed, hunted a deer. The fox, with his cleverness and stealth, caught a forest cock. The monkey, with his agility and swiftness, managed to catch a bird from its nest high up in a tree. Each of them was proud of their catch and eager to share it with their friends.
I am the strongest. I should have the biggest share. In fact, I should eat everything. My strength and power are unmatched in this jungle.
Fox, thinking to himself,
If I hide some of my food and tell a lie, I can have more for myself later. After all, my cunning and wit should be rewarded.
Monkey, scratching his head.
It's only fair if we share everything equally. We all worked hard. Our friendship means more than the size of our catch.
As they sat down to eat, the tiger growled, demanding all the food. The fox, seeing an opportunity, started to hide his catch behind a bush, while the monkey insisted on fairness and equality. Their argument grew louder and louder, echoing through the jungle. Monkey,
This isn't right. We need to solve this peacefully. Our friendship is more important than this meal.
Fox,
Yes, let's find someone wise to help us. We can't let this disagreement ruin our bond.
Tiger,
Fine, let's go to the lion. He is the king of the jungle and will know what to do.
the lion's judgment. They approached the lion, explaining their problem with earnest faces and hopeful eyes. Lion, calmly.
Tell me what happened, my friends.
Tiger,
I caught the deer and I should eat everything. My strength deserves the reward.
Fox, hesitantly.
I got a forest cock, but maybe I was too greedy.
Monkey, interrupting.
We should share equally. We all contributed and should respect each other's efforts.
Lion, wisely.
To live in harmony, you must learn to share. Tiger, you may be strong, but without the fox's cunning and the monkey's agility, the jungle would not be as it is. Each of you has your strengths, and together you make a great team. Sharing ensures everyone gets a fair portion and maintains the balance of your friendship. Sharing the meal.
The lion divided the food equally among the three friends. The tiger received his portion of the deer, the fox his share of the forest cock, and the monkey his part of the bird. They realized the importance of sharing and the value of each other's efforts. From that day on, the fox, the monkey, and the tiger lived in harmony, always remembering the lesson the lion had taught them. They understood that working together and sharing made their friendship and their lives richer. They continued to hunt and share their meals, knowing that their bond was their greatest strength. And so, the jungle echoed with the sounds of their laughter and joy, a testament to the power of friendship and fairness. As time passed, the three friends came across an elderly couple who lived deep in the heart of the jungle. Seeing their kindness and wisdom, the tiger, fox, and monkey decided to share their portions with the elderly couple, who welcomed them with open arms. Grateful for the meal, the elderly couple prepared a delicious feast, filling the air with the aroma of their cooking. The tiger, fox, and monkey sat together, sharing stories and laughter with their new friends. They realized that true happiness came not just from sharing food, but from sharing kindness and companionship. From that day forward, the tiger, fox, and monkey visited the elderly couple often, bringing them food and sharing in their wisdom. They learned valuable lessons about respect, generosity, and the importance of caring for others in their community. Together, they continued to explore the jungle, their friendship stronger than ever, and their hearts full of gratitude for the lessons they had learned. So, dear listeners, we learned lessons about respect in this video and a lesson to live together peacefully and fairly. Thank you for watching our channel Rohingya English Learning. See you in the next video. Take care of yourselves.